Okay, this is Brian. I've decided to um, record this because I know this is going to have an issue later on somewhere. When I'm trying to package, actually, the first thing I noticed was they changed it in UE5 from UE4. When you go to File, there is no package for Windows here, or anything else, actually. So, finally, realized it's in Platforms. A new button on the top of the viewport. And when I look here, all of these have errors or alerts. And the Windows one specifically says SDK management, error, the platform's SDK status was not returned from turnkey. Uh, that's a problem. So, and when I actually try to package the project, it says, hey, Windows SDK. So, I found online, I haven't done this yet. I was going to do it, recording it mainly for me, that they have the same issue. If you disregard it, it just leaves an empty packaged game folder. And so this person found a solution, so let's see if we can actually find it. You copy the host fxr.dll file in the binaries third-party.net Windows host fxr 3119 to the one in .net. Okay, so let's go ahead and try that. I'm looking for host fxr.dll. So I'm going to go to my Explorer and kind of find where that is. Let's kind of scooch this over a little bit. I'm looking for Unreal Projects. Oh, I need to go to the actual Epic Games folder. Epic Games. Nope, it's not here. Shorts adorts. Program files. Program files. Epic Games for 5.01. Folder's empty. What the heckles? Why? Why is that empty? I don't have it on C, do I? No, I don't. No, I don't. That's good. D. Where the heck? 4.0. Oh my god. It's not in D drive, is it? Oh my god. Where did I freaking put it? Programs. Programs in D. It's not here, is it? Epic Games. Not in... Oh, 5.0? So that's empty. I didn't put it there. Did I put it in the wrong one? Dang it! I must have put it in the wrong one. Shits. Binaries, third party. Let me go ahead and close this first, I guess. .net. Windows. Host. FXR 319. Okay, so I'm going to copy this. And I'm going to put it in binaries.net. Binaries.net. Automation tool. Then paste it. There it is. Okay. Copy, do not move. That's exactly what I did. Install the .NET Core Desktop 3.1 runtime. Okay, so let's do this in my downloads. Windows Desktop runtime. Yes. done. When you try to package your Windows project in UE5, now the editor will still throw out that previous message and warn you in general that you don't have the proper SDK installed. Just ignore the message. This is most likely a bug. It is currently unknown whether you'll need to recopy the host every time a new update for UE5 is released. It's also interesting to note that UE4 Windows project practice is fine without having to that core. So I don't know whether this is intended behavior, a bug, or if someone just screwed up. Yeah, you don't know. If, let's see, I followed, found, installed everything. Oh God. Well, let's see if it worked. Great. Alright, so a lot of those said it wasn't going to work, but when I go to platforms and look at Windows, it looks like it works pretty fine. So I'm going to go ahead and package that project. I think it's going to ask me where I want to save it. I'm going to go ahead and save it in Powie McCutesie. Here we go, and I'm going to pause this while I wait. Oops. It worked. I forgot to unpause the thing. So I packaged it up. It's, if you look in Windows here, you can double click this. It's going to open up. Here we are. You can play the game. Yay. Yeah. Switch. Oopsie. Oh my God! Weird. Okay. Whoops. I forgot. Oh my God. And I guess we can still win? Just make sure there isn't any garbage outside. Go into the garage. Come here. That might be a bedroom. Oops. Kitchen. Should be good. Oh, gosh, where are they? Where are... Dang it. See? Oh, man. Something funky is going on. Is there somewhere that garbage is being created that I cannot reach? That's... I feel like there's 3 pieces. Okay. There's 2 that I just... There's always going to be 2, I guess. Yeah, because I'm not seeing it, man. Dang it. Okay, well, there's a problem. Not sure why my little fix isn't fixing it. They must exist somewhere else on the map. Dang it. Okay. Oh well. Oh well. Oops. So I packaged it, fixed a little package for Windows, and that's all that this one was.